How to fix add phone number option missing in Roblox. Let's get started. Once you open up Roblox and you log into your account, now if you navigate to the setting option from the top right corner and from here go to settings. Now under the settings there will be option to add or change phone number. But if you are not able to find that option that says add or change phone number, so there might be some reasons behind that. First of all, you have to make sure that you are in a country or region where the add phone number feature is available on Roblox, because Roblox has recently removed the features of adding phone number to Roblox account from specific or certain countries. So you have to make sure that you are in the country where the feature of adding the mobile number is eligible in Roblox. And the second option might be that you are not able to add the phone number due to your phone number is linked to the Roblox terminated account. So you have to make sure that as well. And the last option is because of your age. In Roblox, you must be over 13 to use Roblox. So if you are over 13, then you have to verify your age by clicking on verify by age. But if you are under 13, then the feature will not be available in Roblox account. So you have to check all these things and you have to consider all of them to have the option to add a phone number in Roblox account. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. I will see you in next video.